Most of us, when we begin the practice of gratitude, we're thankful for our family being alive. We're thankful for a good day. We're thankful for the food that we eat. All of that is great. We must continue with that practice. But when we engage in reflection, which is closing our eyes, and before starting to practice gratitude, we start to reflect on everything that's happened in our life from the time we woke up, how we felt. So reflection also teaches us to be more mindful through our day, who we were in situations and arguments and fights, how our food tasted, how we felt after our food, how we felt after a workout, how we felt after accomplishing something. So reflection helps us to go over every instance of the day, every moment of the day, and every part of our day. And as you do that, you start to get connected with a deeper feeling of gratitude for the things that you can be grateful for. And that's how gratitude and reflection works together.